going to talk about decomposing numbers to 10. And this is going to be something you've worked on during the year. So let's get started. All right, I've made us some linking cubes and I've put them together. And I'm going to tell you that each stack that we have is 10, a total of 10. But let's count to make sure, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and so, whoops. We know there are 10, and if I want to double check it, just like if you were in class, you could line them up and you see that they're all, I want to line them up the same height. So I know those are all a total of 10. So I'm going to talk to you about a number bond. So if I tell you we have a total of 10, which is what we have, whoops, I keep doing that, which is what we have here, but I want to know, what are my parts going to be? You know how you've talked about a part whole? Well, I've got the part that's purple and I've got a part that is green. But we know we started with our whole, which was 10. Well, let's see how many are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple. How many green are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could decompose or take apart that 10 and make it a group of 5 and another group of 5. So we would know 5 purple and 5 green made a total of how many linking cubes? 10. So 5 and 5 is 10. Good job. Okay, are you ready to do the next one? Me too. Y'all are awesome at this. You know, it may be easier for me just to erase the big parts. Okay, so remember we talked about part, whole. Let me make these get out of our way. Okay, let's look at our next one. We'll double check just to make sure, but we know because we did a minute ago, we count. Let's count and make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're with me? We have 10. So that's our total. How many total do we have? We have 10. Now let's break it into two parts. Well, the best way to do that is going to be, let's break it into our two colors. We've got a stack of yellow and a stack of orange. Well, how many yellows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yellows. And then how many orange? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So when I have 10, can I break 10 into a 6 and a 4? Yes, because we saw with our linking cubes when we put them together that 6 and 4 made 10. So we can break it apart into 6 and 4. So here are all the things that make 10. We're going to say 6 and 4, and then we did, what was this one, do you remember? Oh, I remember. We had 5 and 5. Okay, are you ready? Let's do the last one we have and see what it gives us. Oh, y'all are getting so good at this, and these number bonds are going to help you a long time when you're in math. You can use number bonds for all kinds of things. Okay, let's look at our last one. We know it has 10, and we're going to break this 10 into two parts. Okay, so there's our whole. Our total is 10. Are you ready to break it? Okay. Whoop, I didn't break it in the right spot. Whoop, didn't break it in the right spot again. Okay, snap back together. There we go. So we have a red group, and we have, it's pretty long, a blue group. Let's count our red group. 1, 2, pretty easy. So when we broke apart our 10, we decomposed it. We have a group of 2, and let's see what's in our other group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So another way we can get 10 is 2 and 8. Do you think there are other ways to decompose 10? You're right. There are a lot of ways to decompose 10. So I want you to be thinking of any more that you could come up with. Remember, you just start with 10 and then break it into two parts. All right, guys, you did a great job today. You are really rocking and rolling. All right, I want you to keep up the hard work and have a wonderful day.